The 2026 model Mercedes-Benz CLA.
Yeah, it has got some really interesting and impressive sounds when you drive it. Powerful. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video where today you join me right inside the all new 2026 model Mercedes-Benz CLA. In today's video we will be driving it. I will be taking it out for spin on the German Autobahn. We'll be doing some top speed runs and we will be listening to the sound. Let me just give you a bit of sound here. And yeah, it has got some really interesting and impressive sounds when you drive it, so we'll be showing you that. Before we actually start the drive, let me jump outside and show you how the car looks like.
So this is it, ladies and gentlemen, the 2026 model Mercedes-Benz CLA. This is how the car looks like. I mean, I've showed you the car last year already with the latest signature headlamps here, Mercedes-Benz star design. Also here on the grille you have stars literally everywhere. I mean, there's quite a lot of them. The exterior paint is called Graphite Grey Magno, and this is how the car looks from behind. Yeah, we have another star on the left and right hand side. The exterior paint makes the car looks so sporty. What do you guys think? How do you guys like the design? Leave it in the comment section below. We have winter wheels on, so don't mind these. Anyways, that's about it for the walk around. It's all about driving today. Yeah, and this is where we will be starting. You know what's quite interesting with this one? Whenever you stop the car, all you gotta do is push it. Here you can see, there you go. Whenever you start the car, you just push it down to drive, and then it's automatically ready to drive, or put it in reverse, it's all ready. And then whenever you stop the car, you just put it in park, and whenever you just open the door, it's done. Then you can just lock it again. This is quite interesting. So there's no physical start stop button anymore, which I kind of miss. In here we have wireless charging, 2 cup holders and a humongous screen. However, this screen I cannot use since I'm not the passenger. And whenever you drive, there's nothing visible here whenever there is anything. Right now this is just a screen saver. It's a full pillar to pillar, 3 separate displays. However, guys, what do you guys think about this with the ambient colors? And we also have a humongous panoramic sunroof, which gives us a lot of light. The inside we have this, if I'm not mistaken, is Tartufo brown. No, it's not Tartufo brown, I don't know. It's a very nice brown color tone in here, and everything else finished in black. So let's get on and let's start today's drive. Just put on the seat belts first, and yeah, we're just ready to roll. Right inside the latest generation 2026 model Mercedes-Benz CLA. In today's video I want to take you for a ride and a spin inside this brand new Mercedes-Benz and show you all the latest features and technologies. Starting with the lane change assist here, which will always tell me if there's something hiding in a spot I cannot detect, so that's where you get the warning whenever there is something on the side. We will be driving towards an unlimited Autobahn, where I will be also demonstrating you the sound of the CLA, the driving sound. I mean, it's quite interesting, right? It's an electric car but still comes with a driving sound. Listen. We will be doing that more on the unrestricted Autobahn, so let's go. Alright, so I have set on the driving sound and noise of this all electric CLA. The range, let me just talk you through, 72%, which gives us 370 kilometers of electric range. And yeah, let's just get it on and test it here on the German Autobahn, which is completely unrestricted. There's driving and driving sounds that you can choose from. I've just set it to, let me check it, to granular fuzz. Listen. And whenever I brake, you get this sound. Let me just show you the next one, which is Fractal Fusion. 200. I think that's a max speed. 210 is literally the max. And then we just recuperate and we do not brake. Watch this. This is all recuperation, just trying to fill up the battery. 210 kph was the top speed. Keep that in mind. Let me show you Serene Breeze. Listen. And then recuperating again. Then we have Roaring Pulse, which most of you guys already know. Powerful. Yeah, it's quite interesting. This is my favorite. This sounds so interesting. What do you guys think of it? Listen again. Well, this is so cool. All right. The last one for today. This time we'll put the car in sport. So change it to sport mode. We'll stay with granular fuzz. 3, 2, 1. All for the fuzz. Recuperating again. We do everything for the fuzz. Fractal Fusion again. Would you guys actually drive with electric sound or fake sound or this? Or would you just keep it no sound at all? 210 is the max speed, as you can already see. We're driving maximum speed. Just breaking it down again, giving us also recuperation here. See, so you have the physical brakes and actually the battery recuperating, yeah, allowing us an even better braking behavior here. If you want no sound at all, you can just turn it off, which I'm doing now. Listen, there's no sound. But while you do that, you can also turn on the sound. Listen. It's 200 already. Yeah, see, 210, and that's the max speed. And then just put your foot off the gas and let the battery do the braking for you. That's actually all about it. So funny. Just breaking it all the way down. I find these driving sounds quite interesting. Would I do that on a daily? I don't think so. It's quite interesting to test it out and show it to your friends. Especially this one, it sounds like a trailer to for the next Transformers movie. Yeah, interesting. Just breaking it down again, even no brakes here, just recuperating. Great driving here in the curves. See, even with the weight that we have here, quite sporty. Yeah, you can hear the tires. And then just, yeah, that's about it. What do you guys think?